Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again. Most amazing and attractive stylish collection of crochet feet jewelry, crochet women feet anklet designs, different color, different designs, different ideas. You can see same color combinations are also in front of you. Most attractive and amazing collection for beautiful and creative ladies loves to wear such type of collection. You know, crochet is always beautiful, trendy and also expensive, stylish. So I suggest you to watch this video till the end for more designs, more ideas about this collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet woman feet jewelry, crochet woman feet anklet designs and other jewelry like crochet woman necklace designs, earring designs, bracelet designs, finger rings, and baby feet anklet also. So, dear friends, you can contact me anytime. Very beautiful crochet material have been prepared for you. So, try this collection, enjoy this video, share this video with your friends and relatives. Then they also enjoy this video. Now, goodbye till the next video. See you soon.